We've talked about some unique ideas for adding feet to your EMT conduit builds in the past, like this universal leveling foot that you can get as a replacement for washers and dryers. And there's a lot of cool ones out there. I'll link some videos down below on those, but they can be kind of expensive or you might have to buy them online. But the one I want to show you today is super simple, and you might already have hardware on hand that you can use for this, or you can get it really inexpensively off the shelf at different hardware and home improvement stores. And all this is just a threaded insert from MakerPipe hammered into the end of the conduit, and then this is just a carriage bolt, and you can get a 3/8/16 or a 1/4-20 depending on the size that you want. You can see that the head of the carriage bolt here on the 1/4-20 is a lot smaller than the 3/8/16, so I like to use these, but it's really up to you. And something cool that you can do is get some of this like furniture mover felt with the sticky side, and you can cut that up and add that if you're doing this on a floor that you don't want to get scratched up. And there's a couple things that you want to make sure when you're doing this. The first thing is the threaded insert that you decide to use. I would recommend the one with the lip, because if you use the one without the lip here, once you hammer that into the end of conduit, your foot, and this goes for all of feet that you're adding to your build, once you have weight on top of it, it's just going to push this farther and farther up into the conduit once that weight of the project is pushing down. So if you use the one with the lip, that will keep that from happening because it stops on the edge of the conduit there. The second thing you want to do that I think helps a lot is adding a nut to the bolt before you thread it into the conduit. So once you get this, if you're doing this to have different heights for each leg, if you're on a wobbly surface or something like that, then you can get this to the height that you want and then just thread on the nut and then tighten it up against the threaded insert. And you really want to cinch that down. And once you do that, that's going to really help with holding this in place and keep it from loosening up unintentionally, and just kind of hold it at the height that you want there. But then again, you've got this really great and simple solution for an adjustable foot. And then again, like I said, you could add this felt if you want to keep it from scratching up a floor. But it's really cool. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Super simple and inexpensive. If you like this video, leave a like and consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.